Welcome to Shopware tutorial. In this, we learn how to change default filter position on the listing sidebar. Log into the backend. Go to Configuration then Theme Manager. Now go to Configure Theme, and go in the Configuration tab, and check the Show Filter in Sidebar checkbox. Now save and then start the process to compile the changes. Now go to the site and refresh to see the changes. Thanks for watching. For more updates and Shopware video tutorials, please subscribe to our channel. And also do not forget to press the bell icon, so that you never miss our upcoming videos.